Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Hedera Token Service. The problem at hand revolves around the difficulty of setting metadata for a newly created fungible token. Despite following the proper steps, the memo field seems to be empty, causing confusion and frustration. The solution to this issue lies in structuring the metadata according to the guidelines outlined in HIP 405. By adhering to this standard, you can ensure that your token's metadata is recognized and displayed correctly across various platforms. Specifically, the metadata should include key information such as the token description, creator details, logos, website links, and additional properties. Following this structure will help in avoiding silent failures and empty memo fields. In continuation, the metadata for your fungible token should be structured simply, focusing on key elements such as the description of the token. By creating a metadata file that adheres to the specified format, you can effectively set the necessary details for your token. Remember, attention to detail in metadata structuring is crucial for a seamless token creation process without any silent failures. Moving forward, when implementing the token creation logic, ensure to include the IPFS CID referencing your metadata file. This step is crucial in linking your token to the appropriate metadata, allowing for accurate display and recognition. By incorporating the IPFS CID correctly in your code, you can successfully create the fungible token with all the necessary metadata in place. In conclusion, by following the structured metadata guidelines and incorporating the IPFS CID in your token creation logic, you can overcome the issue of empty memo fields when creating fungible tokens on Hedera Token Service. Remember, attention to detail and adherence to standards are key in ensuring a smooth token creation process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. See you in the next video.